Okay, this is our first PB&J recipe interpreted by a computer software developer. Okay, can you please read the instructions?
Step 1, gather materials. You will need bread, a butter knife, peanut butter, jelly or jam, and a plate.
Is it bread, peanut butter, cherry
That's preserves. You need jam.
strawberry spread,
What about that one? There's jam.
jam. Okay, lingonberry jam. Perfect. Okay. What else is
Yeah,
that
you
next?
still need the peanut butter.
A butter
Oh,
knife
peanut butter. Yep. Butter knife.
and a plate.
Plate. Okay. Okay. So I got all my ingredients.
Yeah.
Jam, peanut butter, bread, plate. Okay. What's next?
Step 2, bread preparation. Open the loaf of bread, remove 2 pieces, and close the loaf back up.
Okay.
You should go get a knife to cut the bread though.
This is my bread here. No, it's up on the instructions. It's, what does it say? Open the.
Open the loaf of bread,
Okay.
remove 2 pieces, and close the loaf back up.
How am I supposed to open it up? You
Take
said
it
open
out. Take it out of the.
If I in the video, it's
Okay.
top.
And what? I'm supposed to find something inside it?
Your computer.
Oh, I see. I have 2 pieces here. Okay. What am I supposed to do with the?
Your computer turned off.
What am I supposed to do with 2 pieces?
It doesn't pause.
Oh, okay.
Step 3, open the peanut butter and jelly. Once the bread is open faced on the plate and ready for peanut butter and jelly, make sure that those 2 ingredients are open and ready to use.
So I put them face up on the plate.
Yeah.
Lucas, which side is the face? Which side is the face?
That.
That's the face. Okay. Okay. Face up. Okay. Then what do I put here?
You just open them up right now.
Okay. So I'm opening up. Okay. What next?
Step 4, spread the peanut butter and jelly. Spread the peanut butter and jelly on the slices of bread using a butter knife.
Do I take it out of it, or do I spread it? It's gotta be stuff inside here, right? It's gotta be this.
Face?
That's the face.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks so.
Hey, children, we're doing an experiment right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna spread it with this one here, and I spread it on. What did it say again?
Spread the peanut butter and jelly on the slices of bread using a peanut butter knife, or using the butter knife. It doesn't say which one to use though right now.
Okay, so I need the peanut butter and the jelly to get spread.
Yes. Yeah, you
And
mix
that's
them
what you
all up.
And then do I have to put it on one side or both sides?
On both sides. It just says on the slices of bread. I'm not really sure.
Just on them?
Yeah.
Does it matter which side? Did it say or not?
No.
But I'm supposed to have them face up, right?
Yeah.
This was the face. We'll just go this face. Okay. Did it say both sides or one side?
All it says is spread the peanut butter and jelly on the slices of bread using the butter knife.
Am I supposed to go all over it? Get some more of this stuff.
You're really good at chicken.
Okay.
This was like forever.
Okay. That's probably good. What next?
Step 5, put the sandwich together. Flip the slice on the left onto the slice on the right, making sure that both ingredients are now in the middle of the bread pieces.
The middle?
Oh, so do we have to put that together and that?
I think so. Okay, I must have done it wrong. I probably did it wrong. Okay. So the bread and the jelly. So the face up must be. I think I get it. Okay, here we go. Okay.
Well, at least you still got your sandwich.
That's true. That's true. Okay. Now let's put them together. There you go. Okay, I got my loaf, my 2 slices there.
Yes.
What next?
Cut the sandwich. Slice the sandwich either down the middle or diagonally across using the butter knife you just used to spread the ingredients. I prefer diagonal, so you should do that one.
Yes, how am I slicing this thing diagonal?
Using
I mean, it's already sliced right there in the middle, isn't it?
I don't know. You're the doctor here.
Yeah, not like it did me here. Okay.
It's so hard.
No. Butter knife. Seems like they would have a better tool
I
to
know.
cut bread with.
Man, these instructors really need.
Hey, nothing wrong. I'll figure it out. Okay. Ugh.
And then you have to eat it?
I don't know. I haven't gotten that far yet. Maybe not.
Or do
Okay, so he's.
Or do you
Okay, so
eat it?
cut it down the middle. Now, what?
Repeat or clean up. If you're planning on making another peanut butter and jelly sandwich, repeat all steps. If not, it is time to clean up.
Got any more bread? I don't think we had any more loaves of bread.
Nope.
Okay.
Man.
Okay. Okay, so that's it?
Yep.
This is the sandwich then?
Yep. Enjoy.
Okay.
Looks fresh
That
from
was
Subway.
I don't know. I had a sandwich at another place. It did not look like this though when I was done with it. Okay. PB&J.